Future entrepreneur Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hoping you're having a great Thursday. Today is May the 1st. We are on day number 22 of this My Legion Secret Challenge, Clickbank Challenge. All right, and if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back to day number one, and so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing here. All right. So if you guys don't know what the My Legion secret system is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay, so these people that are coming on to the My Legion Secret list, these people are looking for ways to earn income online. All right. So what we do as affiliate marketers is we go out and we find offers that are related to making money online, and we send out emails, okay, tailored to making money online, and it entices our prospect. They end up clicking on the link, and then we some in return get a commission from it. All right. So My Legion Secret's been around for a while. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. It's something that I use quite often. Okay, I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic here, and I can tell you that this traffic does convert. Okay, now this is cold traffic, so it does take a little bit to get for them to warm up to your emails, guys. But if you send out emails every day, they'll that list will warm up to you, and they'll start clicking on your links and go from there. Right. So I'm just showing you what the My Legion Secret looks like. This is your back office. This is what it would look like if you were to sign up. Now I did leave a link below this video, so if you go down below this video, you're going to click on more, and then there's going to be the link to the My Legion Secret system. Okay, and you would just go there, click on that, and just go ahead and sign up. All right. Now, there's a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then a $30 fee each month to keep the service. Okay, so you're paying $30 to get thousands and thousands of subscribers onto this list. It's your own personal list, and you can send out as many emails as you can. As the days progress, you can send out one email per day. So one email per day you can send out to these prospects to get a chance to earn income online. All right. So, just real quick, I want to throw out a disclaimer. Now, I cannot guarantee that you're going to make anything with My Legion Secret because I don't know if you're going to go out and purchase the program. I don't know if you're going to stack your accounts, and I don't know if you're going to send out emails every day. Okay. But what I can guarantee you is that if you follow what I'm showing you today, and you do it every day and you stay consistent, okay, consistency is the key. If you do that, you will see progress, all right, in the system. So just wanted to show you guys, wanted to let you guys know that, all right? This is not some push button software where you can send out an email and make thousands of dollars next week, okay? It just doesn't work like that. You have to put in the work, all right? So this is the home screen. This is where you'll go to look at emails that you sent out. Now your back office is going to look exactly like this. The only thing different is going to be the emails you're sending out. I've already sent out my email for today, guys. And if you go here to my leads, these are the leads that are coming in today. Today's May 1st. I did get an extra 200 leads a day. I've been getting 200 leads every day. Now, the difference between you getting 100 and 200 is depending on how many accounts that you have. And with My Legion Secret, you can have multiple accounts. Okay. So you would sign up. Once you sign up at the link below, after that, once you get your back office, you're gonna sign up the accounts after you sign up. If you want to get multiple accounts, which I would recommend doing, okay, is you want to use your own personal link to sign up under yourself. All right, that's the key and that's the trick. All you got to do is use a different email address. You can use the same credit card, but just use a different email address. Okay. So that's how you stack your accounts. All right. That way you can have multiple accounts and you have 200 leads coming in every single day from multiple accounts. That way, you know, depending on how many accounts that you have, you can have over 1,000 new subscribers coming in every day that you're going to be able to send out emails to. Right. So right now I have 8 accounts, okay, that I use, all right, that I send out emails with. That works for me. Okay. So You don't want to get too less, like you don't want to get like one account or two accounts. Okay, it's going to take you a little bit longer to reach your goal on what you're trying to accomplish, which is making money. And you don't want to get too many 10, 15, 20 accounts because it does take a little bit of time. Like I said, this is cold traffic. You don't want to be paying for the service, all of these accounts, and not be receiving anything in return in the short amount of time that I'm sure you want to start seeing results. All right. So 5 is going to be that sweet spot, guys. All right. So that's the leads. These are the master email swipes. These are extra emails that you guys can use. It does cost $30 for these emails, but for this challenge, we're just going to be using the free email swipes from the vendor. All right. So mainly where you're going to be hanging out at is the mailing system. This is where all the magic happens, guys. This is where you're going to send out your emails to your traffic. All right. So what you would do is go to the mailing system. You come down here where it says leads selected from the mailing. In order for you to send out an email, those leads have to be loaded to the portal. So all you have to do is click on the select last. What that's going to do is going to transfer the latest, all of these leads that you have over here. It's going to put them over here. That way we can get it ready to send out an email. If you guys know how to send out an email in Gmail or Outlook, whatever you have, if you know how to send out an email, you have a subject line, okay, and then you also have a body, and that's it, guys. If you know how to do that, you can do this method. It's super easy to do. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to Clickbank. Clickbank is a network marketing platform where you guys can go and promote different niches. Okay. And the niche we're going to be using is going to be the make money online niche. Okay, which is going to be e-business, e-marketing. These other offers, you don't want to worry about sending that to, you can, but what works the best is going to be this e-business, e-marketing niche. Okay, so these first 4 offers are going to be the ones that work. Okay, 5 really. Okay, this one snuck in here, this fast wealth. That's a new offer. Okay, but I would recommend just these 4 here: live chat jobs, the ones I've promoted, get paid to use Facebook, paid online writing jobs, and write at reviews. I would just stick with those 4. For the sake of this video and this challenge, we're using one offer from Clickbank and we're going to stick with it for 1 year. We're not going to promote any other offers, okay, for this challenge. All right. So we're promoting live chat jobs. The reason is it has a rebill of $20 every single month. So we're going to get multiple people signing up. That way we can get those $20 over and over and over again. And those will come in every single month. All right. So let's go ahead and go in here where it says affiliate page. We want to click on affiliate page. And yesterday we sent out what we did is we go to email swipes here. We sent out all 20 of these emails, okay? Because we're on day number 22. So we sent out all of these emails, and what we're going to do is circle back around. So all you have to do is just go back through here again. Now, somewhere in here, I'm going to show you guys just how to create your own emails quickly and how you can do that very easy. But we'll get into that later in the week, okay? So, or later, maybe this weekend. All right. So we sent out this one. We started back over with email number 1 again. Let's go ahead and go to email number 2. You would just grab the subject line, click on Control C, come back over here, and we want to Control V. Okay. You want to come down here, select on perfect timing, so that way our email goes out at the right time. So you just want to come down here. You want to grab this body right here, and you want to grab that, all of it, Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system, and then we want to Control V. Right. Now you want to take out signature where it says signature. You want to put in your name or management, whichever one. Where it says hey name, we want to use these codes right here. It says use below codes in the subject or message to be replaced with each lead's personal details. So that means that whenever we put this in our, right here in the subject line or the body, it addresses the prospect by their first name. Okay. So whenever this email goes out, it's going to say like, hey, Jermaine, hey, John, whatever your name is. Okay. And then this is the email. Now, what we're going to do where it says click here to apply, we're going to turn these links into clickable links. So how you do that is go here to the link tab. We're going to go back to the offer page where the free email swipes are. Underneath every email, there's going to be a affiliate link that you're going to be able to use that goes with this email. Okay, so we're going to use that affiliate link. Okay. Now, right here where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID, you want to put in your Clickbank affiliate ID, not mine, but your very own. Okay. Click on OK. What that does, it turns this into a clickable link. And then let's go ahead and find another one. It says hit this link right here. Okay. We're going to hit that link and we're going to go to the link tab, Control V, and then erase this right here and put in your affiliate ID. Very important you do that because if you don't, you're going to send out an email with no link attached to it, and it's going to it's just going to go right back to the vendor, and they're going to get the commission for it because you didn't put in the right affiliate ID. So it's very important you do that. There's going to be two buttons down here at the bottom. One says send now and one says preview. We're going to click on preview. Click on preview, and you're going to test these links to see if they work. Okay. So you click preview, click on this link, and then you click on this link and make sure in the URL that it says your affiliate ID. You want to make sure it's very important that you check that before you send it. Okay. I always do that for every email I send. I always click on the preview button to make sure my links work. Okay, because if a link is messed up or dead, we want to replace it and want to make sure that we have the right link in there. So that's very important. After you proofread everything and click on your links, go ahead and click on send. Boom. That's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen secret system, guys. I just showed you how to do it. It's very easy to do. If you can copy and paste emails, you can do this method, guys. It's super easy to do. It's inexpensive if you're looking for a way to get into affiliate marketing. Instead of going out and spending traffic and dumping money into campaigns that you know nothing about right now, I would just recommend just trying something easy like this first and then working your way up to paid traffic and everything like that. Okay. So that's how you do it. We sent out an email last night and we're going to just check the results to see if we got any traffic. Okay. Or any results today. Today is May 1st. Let's look at here. So today we did get over 1,100 hops, which is really good. Okay, the hops is really good. Okay, we got 747 hops, which is pretty good. Okay, we got brand new IP addresses coming to our offer. That's some really good traffic. We did get one order form impression. Okay, this is someone who went to the checkout page. They whipped out their wallet. They were ready to buy right then, but for some reason they didn't buy or some reason they did buy. Okay. Now, no biggie because remember that this is cold traffic and our audience has to get used to seeing our emails. And once they do, we'll start bridging that gap from like getting a sale here and then, a few days later getting another initial sign up. We want to get it to where we bridge them where those sales are coming very, very close to each other, where we're getting a sale every single day. Because remember with this offer, what happens is the person signs up for the free trial, they get billed 3 days later. Okay. So we get that $20 3 days later. Not only do we get that $20, that person is going to get billed the next month, the next month, the next month, and the next month until they cancel. Okay. And what I've seen that someone stays on this rebill for at least 3 to 6 months or maybe even longer. Okay. That they stay on. So our job is to go in, just send out these emails and get initial sales every single day. And then eventually, you'll start seeing our income rise. Okay. So right now, if we go back over here to accounts, let me just go back here and then we'll just go back to, I believe it's going to be up here at the top. We'll go back to the dashboard. And as you can see just over here, okay, right now, every week we're earning income. Okay, it's very small. It's very small commissions because we just started this challenge. But as you can see, right here, it's going to start spiking up. Okay, so you're going to start seeing 40, 60, 80, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. You'll start seeing this weekly. Okay. So you got to give it time. But as you can see, we're just getting started in this thing. We're starting to earn a little bit of income. And then eventually the more and more emails that we send out, you're going to start seeing this change to higher numbers. Okay. Which will be pretty cool. Okay. So, this week right here, we haven't earned any commissions yet, but we did get a sign up the other day, and we'll be looking to receive that, and then also get initial sales to add on top of that, so we can turn this 40 into 60, and get that up to 100. And then this next month, since we're on day number 22, think about next month, and then these same rebuilds are going to be coming through next month. So these will be $20 plus whatever we're bringing in, so we can start having those 40, $60 days, okay? $80 days, right? And that's our goal, okay? And you'll start seeing this thing snowball, okay? But the only way it's going to snowball, and it had to snowball until this. If you can see the first few days, we didn't get any sales. We had to stick with it and send emails every day just to start getting this right here, okay? And once you just keep doing that over and over again, you'll start seeing it, okay? And it'll start snowballing, and we'll start making more and more and more money, okay? But I want to leave this video on that note. Don't want to take any more of your time. I just wanted to show you how to send out an email in the mileage and secret system. I wanted to show you the results on how we did today with traffic. If we got traffic, if we got initial order form impressions, or if we got any new sales. All right. So I'm going to leave this video on that note, and I will see you guys tomorrow back here Friday at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.